Hi friends, we're going to be practicing our beginning sounds today. We have 10 words to practice with. When we're finding the beginning sound, remember that's the one we tap on our shoulders and it's with the green light. So let's tap out this word. Tan, tan, t is our beginning sound. Rip, ip, rip, is our beginning sound. Sit, it, sit is our beginning sound. Map, app, map, is at the beginning. Gum, g, gum, g is our first sound. Hem, hem, our beginning sound is fun, fun, is the first sound. Cat, at, cat, k is the beginning sound. Rug, ugh, rug, is at the beginning. Last one, pig, ig, pig, p is our beginning sound. Thanks everyone for practicing beginning sounds with me. If you'd like some more practice, you can follow the link below to play a few games. See you soon!